But here's where it gets controversial. In recent months, the number of people with no criminal history detained by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, has surpassed those charged with crimes, according to new data released by the government. This marks a significant shift in how the Trump administration views immigration enforcement. ICE, the agency most heavily reliant on President Trump's deportation policies, reported its latest numbers on Thursday. According to official figures, 16,523 individuals with no criminal record were arrested by ICE, compared to 15,725 who had criminal backgrounds, and 13,767 awaiting charges. However, these numbers challenge the narrative that ICE's primary focus is on dangerous criminals. A former Homeland Security official criticized the increase, stating that the term criminal is being used too broadly. "These aren't bad people," he said, adding that the definition might extend to undocumented individuals. 5. Being undocumented isn't a crime, it's a civil infraction. 6. The Guardian, using ICE's data, has been tracking the number of people arrested, detained, and deported by the administration. 7. Prior to Trump's return to power, Customs and Border Protection played a larger role in taking immigrants into custody. 8. Since January, Trump has taken action to seal border zones, including efforts to prevent asylum seekers from accessing the U.S. 9. While prior to the second Trump administration, those with no criminal history represented a small fraction of ICE's total detainees, 10. In response to concerns, DHS officials highlighted that many of these arrests involve illegal aliens, convicted or pending charges, and even non-state actors, 11. As a result, there has been a surge in so-called collateral arrests, when ICE has warrants, but then arrests others at the scene, 12. Earlier this month, federal officials raided a Hyundai factory in Georgia, arresting over 300 workers, many from South Korea. Despite initial accusations, The Guardian reported that one man had a valid visa, but he was forced to leave voluntarily. The situation reflects broader tensions between ICE and U.S. law enforcement. Facilities nationwide have faced allegations of inhumane treatment, while the administration denies any conditions in detention. With the new fiscal year starting in October, immigration enforcement is expected to receive unprecedented funding.